Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Day's Delight. And today we are going to make this delicious spinach stew. Yes, you're making spinach stew today. And in my pot here I have some palm oil and I added some salted cod fillet and I added my sliced white onion. Yes, so we're going to leave that to cook for about 5 minutes. If you don't like palm oil, you can use any oil of your choice, but this recipe is best with palm oil. So whilst that is cooking, we are going to do our ginger blend. In my blender, I have some ginger, 1 Scotch bonnet, some white onion, some garlic. And as you can see, our onion has been cooking for about 5 minutes and I just added my ginger blend. We're going to stir everything together and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you. And as you can see, our stew has been cooking for about 5 minutes and I just added some tuna flakes. Yes, and I'm adding my fresh tomatoes which I chopped, about 5 large fresh tomatoes. You're going to stir everything together and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. And please, if you want me to do any recipes, please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. And now we are doing our seasoning blend. This is the secret to our sauce. Yes, so in my blender, I have some tuna flakes as well. And I have my smoked prawns, which I soaked in water. As you can see, I used the water to blend it with some onion, which is going to add more flavor to our stew. Yes, this is the secret to this delicious spinach stew. You need to try this recipe. So as you can see, our stew has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. And now I've added my seasoning blend. So we're going to mix everything together and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. Yes, this place smells so nice. So as you can see, it's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. And look at that bubbles in front of our stew. Please try this recipe for me. So now I'm adding eggs to my stew now. Yes, you're using eggs, you're not using melon seeds. If you don't have eggs, you can use melon seeds, which is very common in the African shops. Yes. Now we're going to cover the eggs and put it on the medium heat to cook gently. And look at our stew. This eggs looks amazing. It's taking our stew to the next level. So now I'm adding some mushrooms to it, fresh mushroom, and now I'm adding my fresh spinach, which is being washed with some salt and dried. Yes, we don't like any insect in our stew, so we're going to leave it to allow the steam to reduce our spinach. Don't bother stirring it to pour everything away. Just leave it and cover it, and the steam is going to reduce everything down and it's easy to stir. So as you can see, our spinach has been reduced down and look at that. This still looks delicious. This place smells amazing. As you can see, we use all natural and fresh ingredients for this recipe. Please try this recipe for me. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. So now I can season my stew now with some salt because I added some salted cod fillet. So I tasted it and I think it needed some salt, so I added a bit of salt. So we're gonna leave it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And look at our stew. Our stew is ready. You need to try this recipe for me. This spinach stew is amazing. There's no artificial seasoning in it and it tastes delicious. Please don't forget to share my videos and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And look at this stew. So I garnished my stew with some spring onion and look at that, our stew is done. You can have this tasty spinach stew with some rice, with some yam, some boiled potato. And thank you all for your support and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.